Here it is, the DJI Action 2, and it's tiny, but it's jam-packed full of features. And you might be saying, yeah, this camera came out like a year ago. And yeah, you're right, but I wanted to share this quick video about the Action 2 because lately the price has come down a lot to make it a really good buy. So you have the camera and the lens on the front, and it's also magnetized for their macro lens, filters, and more. And on the back, you get a really nice touchscreen to preview your shots and change the settings, and the touchscreen navigation is very smooth. This whole camera has an internal battery and internal storage, so it's waterproof down to 10 meters. It also has a magnetic mount on the bottom to connect to their other modules or even other accessories, and since it weighs only 55 grams, it's super easy to carry and comfortable to wear. Like with this lanyard that comes with it, the image quality on this thing is just mind-blowing. The colors on here are very nice and natural, but then it also keeps sharp details. It shoots up to 4K at 120 frames per second for really nice and stabilized slow motion. DJI's Rocksteady 2.0 makes your footage look like it's on a gimbal, and the footage always matches the intensity of the moment, especially with the ultra-wide 155-degree immersive field of view. And they have horizon balancing for 4K 60 up to 45 degrees. Or you can drop it down to 2.7K and turn on horizon steady, which will keep the camera steady and level no matter how you turn it. You can turn on Pro mode, and that way you can customize the exposure, white balance, color, and microphone options. And the internal microphones do a great job cutting out the wind noise and just giving a quality sound. You're actually listening to the microphones right now. It has photo mode capturing JPEG or RAW, and if you want more slow motion, you can drop it down to 1080p, 240 frames per second. There's also quick clip, which just takes short little 15-second clips, and hyperlapse mode, which is like moving time lapses. And within hyperlapse, you actually have access to your time lapse, and they have presets for like crowds, clouds, sunset, and custom settings. You can actually connect this to your computer and use it as a webcam, or you can pair it with the DJI Mimo app. You can preview your shot wirelessly or change the settings, but also the DJI Mimo app features a video editor that allows you to easily and quickly make really nice videos from your footage. The power module has a larger battery and longer battery life, which can also charge your camera unit when it's connected. There is a micro SD card slot as well, and you can transfer your files from that internal memory to the SD card really easily. With the dual screen module, it is just like the power module, but slightly deeper because it has a full touchscreen where you can preview your shot if you're vlogging. So this is the DJI Action 2 in a nutshell. It's the perfect little camera for anyone looking to capture some really high quality and stabilized action shots, or if you want to beautifully capture your travel adventures, or even if you're a content creator looking for a hassle-free way to just improve the quality of their videos. Also, with the Ulanzi Intellis and accessories that they've created, it actually makes this camera more versatile, more functional, and just that much better. And I'll put links to those and everything else down in the description, plus a surprise link. I really think the possibilities are endless for this camera, and there are more and more ways this camera will be the better choice over its competitors.